PTP, poetry, education to a B. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. It's PTP, poetry, education to a B. Yeah, it's precise. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. You're gonna love today's topic about eating healthy. I gotta give the knowledge to my friends. Would you like to hear it? Well, here it goes. Enjoy. Precise the poet. Eat healthy for my breakfast. Eat healthy lunch and dinner. Eat healthy all my snacks. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. In the morning, start it off right. Here goes a list. Pick what you like. Yogurt, oatmeal. Do you like these? Eggs, a side of strawberries. Knock, knock, who's there? Orange, who? Aren't you glad to see me? Apples, bananas, grapes, and cherries. Watermelon, yummy, delicious. First meal of the day. Nutritious, my energy, my focus. How I eat, my body shows it. Feel me? Good sleep plus good food equals a great attitude, and a great mood. Stay precise. Eat healthy for my breakfast. Eat healthy lunch and dinner. Eat healthy all my snacks. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. 10 to 3 o'clock, lunch and snacks. Eat healthy, don't eat no junk. Carrots with ranch, pickle if you're fickle. Toast and peanut butter, just that simple. Celery sticks with some dip. Hummus on a pita chip. Avocado on a turkey sandwich. And for $5 at Wendy's, fish fillet and chili. At Chick-fil-A, a fruit cup and a grilled chicken on wing. At Mickey D's, a side salad, a wrap with cheese, and a fruity yogurt. Perfect. These are all cheat meals. When you have no time, make most of your time. And drink plenty of water. Yeah. Eat healthy for my breakfast. Eat healthy lunch and dinner. Eat healthy all my snacks. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. Melted cheese on broccoli. Black beans and rice. Beef and veggies in the crock pot all night. Waking up, house smell like heaven. Blessed, so eat healthy. Sweet potatoes and honey. Baked chicken and collard greens with a pizza cornbread. You know what I mean? Soul food can be healthy. And remember, treat yourself for completing goals. Stay balanced. Yeah. Let's start a 365 day eat healthy challenge. You did it for Kiki. Do it for you. For real. Stay precise. Yeah. Eat healthy for my breakfast. Eat healthy lunch and dinner. Eat healthy all my snacks. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy, yeah, yeah, blah, blah. We gotta eat healthy. Precise. We gotta eat healthy. Eat PTP. Healthy poetry. Now, wasn't that groovy? Bobbing your head to a song about eating healthy. classic. Straight classic. I just felt like I had to share this poetry with you. Health means a lot to me. There are so many reasons why we all need to eat healthy. Grown-ups and kids. Where should I start? Well, it helps you sleep better after a long day. It builds your immune system so you don't get sick a lot. It's good for your heart, and we all need that to keep working. It makes your muscles stronger, as you can see, and it helps you live longer so you can be old like great-grandma and grandpa one day. It makes you more productive because you get more energy. It keeps the skin looking healthy. It even helps you lose weight if you are overweight. It can help prevent diseases like diabetes and certain cancers. Man, overall, it creates a healthy lifestyle, which makes you a happy person. Then you become a great example for your friends, family, and for the kids. That's what it's about, being a good example for others. Well, that's all I have today about eating healthy. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for checking out my show, PTP Poetry, only on K.E.R.M Vision, Kids Educational Rap Music. Yeah, it's precise, the poet. Let's go. PTP Poetry Education to a B. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. It's PTP Poetry Education to a B. Learning with poetry. PTP Poetry. Precise my name. Let's make change. Spread knowledge. That's the